Good morning dear students. Now in P block, after 13th group, next group is 14th group. Right? First element in 14th group is carbon. Right? In this manner, all elements of 14th group are also known as elements of carbon family. Because first element is carbon. Which elements are placed in 14th group or in carbon family? First is carbon, then silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Right? Next, children, after element then occurrence. Arrangement of elements in carbon family. Next is occurrence of different elements. We all are well familiar with carbon. Carbon exists in elemental form and in combined form. Right? Elemental form like different allotropes of carbon, and combined form well familiar, carbon dioxide gas in terms of oxides, in terms of carbonates, CaCO3, right? Different ores, minerals, right? In any organic product, main element is carbon, right? In biomolecules also, carbohydrates, proteins, fat, one element is carbon, right? In some natural products. Okay children? Then occurrence of silicon. Next element is silicon. In elemental form is silicon, which acts as semiconductor, right? And combined form is a sand, SiO2, silicon dioxide, right? Tin, tin metal, tin is used for alloy process, right? Now children, next is isotopes, right? Carbon exists in how many isotopic forms? 3 isotopes. Ionotrope, it means different structural arrangement, right? And isotope means atoms of same element having same atomic number and different atomic mass numbers are called isotopes, right? Are called isotopes. Carbon exists in 3 isotopic forms, right? Like carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14. Atomic number is same in each case. What is its atomic number? 6. 6, 6 and 6. Right? Which isotope of carbon is more stable? Carbon 12. And least, or which isotope of carbon is radioactive or unstable? Carbon 14. Right? T half. Half lifetime of carbon 14 is 5, 7, 7, 0 and years. Very long time. Disintegration of carbon 14 occurs at this time when initial amount of carbon 14 remains just half. Then again half of second half. Next half of third half. The time period is called T half or half lifetime. Okay children, this time is fixed. 5770 years. Okay, this T half is different from element to element. In different radioactive elements, T half is different. Right? Now, occurrence of carbon 12 in any organic product. More stable form of carbon is C12. What is AMU? AMU is equal to 1 by 12 into mass of 1 carbon atom. Which carbon? Carbon 12. In organic products, carbon 12. What is the molecular mass of CO2? Right? 12, we write 12 plus 32. Right? And carbon 14 is highly unstable due to its radioactive nature or unstable nature. right? This part is important. Which isotope of carbon is unstable and why? Carbon 14, because carbon 14 is a radioactive element and its half-life time or T half is very long time, which is 5770 unit years. Now children, in electronic configurations, first part is correct arrangement of elements. Second is correct atomic numbers, right? Atomic number of carbon is 6. For atomic number of next element, add 8, right? What? 8. 6 plus 8 is equal to. And for next element, which is germanium, add 18. 14 plus 18 is equal to 32, right? For tin, again plus 18. 32 plus 18 is equal to 50. Heaviest, bottommost element is lead. For lead, add 32. 50 plus 32 is equal to 82. Right? First atomic number is well familiar, carbon element is well familiar. For other atomic numbers, what is the rule? 8, 18, 18, 32. Addition of electrons 8, 18, 18 and 32. Right? Next step, for reduced form or condensed form of electronic configuration, write down symbol of noble gas. Right? First helium, then neon, argon, krypton and xenon. Next step, children, for 14th group or carbon family, what is valence shell electron configuration? Electron configuration for valence electrons is Ns2, Np2. This is common. Like in boron family, valence shell configuration is Ns2, Np1. And 14th group is next group. One more electron is present in p subshell or p orbitals. Right? For next group, nitrogen family, Np3. Right? Then you can verify your electronic configuration is correct or not. Written part is correct or not. Right? First part is, remember this valence shell configuration. Children, complete electronic configuration of carbon is for 6 electrons. What is 1s2 according to Aufbau rule? 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. This inner core of electrons is written as helium in its condensed form, helium, because atomic number of helium is 2, right? And then valence electrons, what is 2s2, 2p2, right? For next element, principal quantum number is different, which is 3, 3s2, 3p2. This value, this number remains same, right? And B starts from germanium, and first D is a 3D. First D subshell starts from which orbit? Third. Orbit number 1, 2 and 3. K, L, M. Right? What is its principal quantum number? 3. And D is inner part. D subshell is written in inner part. D orbitals are completely filled. Maximum capacity of D orbitals to accommodate 10 electrons. Not more than 10. Not more than 10. What is written here? 3D 10. And then valence shell configuration like this. Valence electrons. Next principal quantum number 4s2, 4p2. After 3D, 4D. Completely filled. After 4, 5s2, 5p2. Outer electrons, valence electrons. Right? And first F starts from bottommost element. Its atomic number is 82. Right? For 82 atomic number, first F subshell which starts from 4th orbit. Its principal quantum number is 4. 4f14. Then after 3, 4d, next is 5d. Completely filled. And then valence electrons 6s2, 6p2. Right? Long answer question. Give complete electronic configuration of 14th group elements or elements of carbon family. Then write complete electron configuration. Short answer question. What is the valence shell configuration of 14th group elements? Then write only this part. Valence shell for valence electrons only. Ns2 and p2. Okay, children? Now, what is the actual number of this p in 2s orbital? Completely filled, and this is 2s2 in terms of orbital. In terms of notation, subshell is 2s, right? And then in p subshell, 3 orbitals are present, but in 2p subshell, only 2 electrons are present. Apply Bond's rule. First of all, each orbital is singly occupied. First of all, each orbital accepts or takes 1 electron. Right? Here only 2 electrons are present. Correct orbital configuration is 1 electron in 1p, second electron in second p. Right? For which elements of carbon family or 14th group. Now children, one short answer question. How many unpaired electrons are present? How many unpaired electrons are present in ns2 and np2 configuration? How many unpaired electrons are present? If electrons are written in subshell, not in terms of orbital, this is completely filled. Electrons are present in paired state. Paired state, in this case, how many unpaired electrons are present? 2. Right? In P, 2 unpaired electrons are present, and S orbital paired electrons. Right? This is second possible question based on electronic configuration.